Hello, today we will guide you through how to create folders in Google Drive with Google One. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. If you're searching for it online, look for the official Google Drive sign-in page and open that. This is the easiest way to make sure you're heading to the correct place before creating anything in your account. Once the page loads, sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in. After signing in, you'll be taken into your Google Drive area where your files and folders are stored. If this is your first time using Drive, don't worry. The layout is simple, and the folder creation process only takes a moment. Now, look to the top left corner of the screen for the New button. This is usually marked with a large plus icon, making it easy to spot. Click on New to open a menu of options. This menu is where you can upload files, create documents, and, in this case, make a new folder. From that drop-down menu, click on New Folder. As soon as you do, a small pop-up window will appear asking you to enter a name for your folder. This is where you decide how you want to organize your files. Try choosing a clear, specific folder name so it's easy to find later. For example, you might name it based on a project, class, client, or topic. Good naming habits can save time when your Drive starts to fill up. After typing in your folder name, click Create. Google Drive will immediately generate the folder and place it in your current Drive view. In most cases, you'll see it appear right away among your existing files and folders. At this point, the folder has been successfully created, and you're done. You can now open that folder to add files, upload documents, or create more folders inside it if you want to keep things even more organized. A quick tip before you finish: if you ever need to rename the folder later, you can do that directly in Google Drive. Keeping your folders neatly labeled is a simple way to make your storage easier to manage over time. And that's all it takes to create a folder in Google Drive Google One.